Text, LG phone.
Customizing the background wallpaper on an LG phone.
3 wallpaper examples on an LG phone. A tree, color light beams, and a Ferris wheel.
Customizing the wallpaper or background is the easiest way to make an LG phone unique and your own. There are 2 easy ways to get to the customization settings for your wallpaper and theme.
A red circle pulses on the home screen.
For the first, simply press and hold on an empty area on the home screen for 1 to 2 seconds.
A red circle around the icon.
When the menu appears at the bottom, tap on Wallpaper and Theme.
A page with 4 wallpaper options. Text, My Wallpapers.
For the second option, go to Settings.
A red circle around the gear icon.
Then tap on Display and then Wallpaper and Theme. Once in the Wallpaper and Theme menu, you can tap on Wallpaper, Theme, or AOD, meaning Always on Display, to choose what you want to customize. In this video, we will focus on the wallpaper. You can choose from any of the default wallpapers. Live wallpapers, which you can download from the Google Play Store or your gallery. To choose an image from your gallery, tap on Gallery, give permissions if prompted, and then choose the album where the image you want can be found. Once you have located the image, tap on it to open it. Then select the part of the image you want in the wallpaper by moving and resizing the box. You can do this by dragging on the highlighted corners. Once you are satisfied with the image you have chosen, tap on OK at the bottom. On the next screen, you can choose to set the image as the lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, or both. Choose what you want and then tap on Set Wallpaper.
Text, LG. Life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your custom-themed LG phone.
The logos for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.